As a real estate agent, one of the things that excites me the most about my profession is staging. Most people don't think about it, but staging starts at the front door. You have one chance to make a first impression. The holidays are the perfect time to show off the front of your house. And the way that I like to do it is with decorative urns. Today, I'm gonna take you through a step-by-step process on how to make the perfect holiday urn. Look at this beautiful entranceway. We want to show it off with two grand urns during the holidays. We got our urn right here with some dirt in it. I usually suggest adding river stones at the very bottom to give it some weight. Winters can be windy and we don't want it to tip over. Our first step is to add dirt almost to the top, leaving about a few inches. The base looks good now. We're going to start adding the sticks and the branches. I got 3 birch sticks, which give the urn height and grandeur. Dig around and turn them slowly and get them into position as you like them. Adding more dirt will cement them into place. Great, it's time for some greenery. For an urn of this size, you'll want at least 2 to 3 bundles of white pine greenery to create a good base. I stick the boughs slowly, starting in the middle and work my way out. Towards the back, I like to create height, so I put these branches more upright. As I move to the sides, symmetry is really important. The goal towards the front of the urn is to create a cascading effect over the front of the urn. Looking good, right? Next, we're gonna add in the cedar. The cedar brings another color to your urn. We position the cedar branches in the same manner that we did the white pine. I choose branches that are smaller for the front, and I use the larger ones for the back. The last step to having our primary branches in place is to use only 2 Douglas fir branches. The idea here is to make a bit of a statement on each side. A little bit of Douglas fir goes a long way. This is really coming together well. A lot of people would stop right here, but I like a little more drama. This is where I add in my secondary branches. The cypress cedar is to add a little bit more flair to the front of the urn. Adding a piece of boxwood to each side of the urn gives a little bit more texture and drama. Next step is to add some holly. Nothing says Christmas like holly. And lastly, magnolia. Place the magnolia on each side of the urn, again, keeping in mind symmetry. Yes! I know what you're thinking. How could this get any nicer looking? But it can, with a little bit of bling. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in some lights and some baubles. These accessories are gonna help take the urn to the next level. Look at that, perfection. Follow my steps and you'll have the best looking urns on the block.